Jeremy has been waiting months for this, but today is finally the day that he gets to build a lightsaber. We're meeting up with our friends Jordan and Chelsea. It's their very first time visiting Galaxy's Edge, and we are gonna have a fun-filled Star Wars day.
We got our coffee, we got our boarding group for Rise of the Resistance. Jordan and Chelsea are here with us, and Jordan and Jeremy are going to make a lightsaber, and I'm gonna learn how they build them because I don't even know. Chewbacca wandering around, and I'm very excited about it.
I think Chewbacca just stole someone's child.
Just saw Chewie wandering around, and now we got our notification. It's time to go ride Rise of the Resistance. It's a nice early time to do it. Here we go. Thank you. Are you ready for this?
I don't know if I'm ready for this. Like, I'm ready for it, but I'm not ready for it. It's alright. It was fun. That was amazing. It was absolutely, from beginning to end, stunning.
We were wandering around the rest of Hollywood Studios until it was finally time.
So this is it, the moment of truth. It's time to build a lightsaber. Or two of them, I guess.
The first step that they had to do was choose what kind of lightsaber they were going to be building.
So there's 4 kinds you can choose from? Oh, okay. Those are all the pieces?
For one, yeah.
Wow, okay.
So that's like, would look more like your Jedi, like Luke Skywalker, kind of the Sith one.
Ooh, I like it.
Elemental nature, which is what Jordan's doing.
Okay.
With his Rancor tooth on the bottom.
Alright.
And then protection and defense, which is the one I chose.
Oh, I like it. It's got gold accents. So you got your credential and your pin. Your credential just means you can go inside and build a lightsaber.
And this shows them what kind of lightsaber I'm going to build.
Oh, okay.
Jordan and Jeremy picked out the type of lightsaber they were going to build, and it was finally time to go inside Savi's workshop and actually build a lightsaber.
You've all found your way here. Everyone has a place to be. Welcome. I know the workshop is it's a lot. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber becomes a direct reflection of the builder because the force flows between them. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough of my talking, let's get started.
The first thing that Jeremy and Jordan are going to do to build their lightsaber is pick out their kyber crystal.
Blue, as wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and we are told, red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, great master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, as wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are those who call this the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now, Kylo Ren. Now that you've selected those kyber crystals, as some have done, feel free to place them in the green crystal holder directly in front of you. We are going to join them with lightsaber design that you have chosen. We will begin by building a hilt.
Next, we're going to take a look at this center chamber here. You'll notice there's a small dot in the center of both the top and the bottom plates. And this top plate right here does spring, so we're going to use that to help us insert our kyber crystal. I find it easiest to put the small point in first, right in the center of that top plate, place it inside that dot so it has something to hold it in place.
The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the center of your control. It is the part that prevents your hand from being disintegrated. Very important part. Building your lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, you will choose the pieces that make up your own individual lightsaber.
Looks like you got yourself a lightsaber.
Final check? Sure. Alright, so when Kenbei tells you to activate, we're ready to slide up on this switch here, down to deactivate, okay?
You've all assembled your hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened yet, which is good because this is the dangerous part of the process. All right, let me modulate these frequencies myself. We will see how this goes. What's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Is everyone ready? Yes. Step forward, my friends. Hands on your hilts and activate. Builders, raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, deactivate those sabers. You hold in your hands remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your lightsaber as you depart, we will offer you a saber sheath. Our time together is at an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy, and to remember that you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsaber that you have created. And who knows, maybe next time, we'll be telling your stories. Till the fire.
Till the fire!
You just made a lightsaber.
Did? It's pretty cool.
Some sturdy blades, man.
And you know, after building these lightsabers, Jeremy and Jordan just had to wait it out until nighttime. All in all, it's been a really fun day, full of Star Wars and lightsabers. Make sure you go check out our friend Jordan Gasly's channel. He has a lot of fun videos, and hey, look at him. He's having fun. He knows how to party.
Yep, that's the one. A huge shout out to our patrons. If you like this video, check out this video right here and hit that subscribe button.